Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pamela. If you're an OG, welcome back. Today I'll be using a prickly cactus plant for hair growth. But before we dive into the video, let's see the benefits of cactus in our hair. It makes your hair soft. It helps prevent hair falling out. It's great for your scalp. It can help your hair grow faster. It helps protect your hair from the sun. It's great for treating heat damage, and it's 100% natural. And cactus are a source of vitamin C, E, and A. They also contain iron, calcium, potassium, and omega-3. So first and foremost, before you peel off the cactus skin, you have to remove the prickly part, and you have to be very careful because it really pricks. Then after that, you wash your cactus, and I decided to remove the skin. You can use the skin if you like, but as for me, I prefer it without the skin. After I remove the cactus skin, I then chop my cactus into smaller pieces like so that I'll be able to blend them. This is everything. After I'm done removing the peels and everything, then it's time to blend. I then added water, and the amount of water depends on how thick you want your juice to be. So you just have to eyeball depending on the thickness you like your cactus juice to be. After I blended my juice, I then use my wig cap as a sieve. So with cactus, you really need to sieve it thoroughly, because if not, it will leave some residues in your hair, and we don't want that. Okay, we don't want some residues in our hair. And this is the consistency of the cactus. Look at the amount of slip. Look at that gooey consistency. I use this as a pre-poo. It's a very good detangler. Look at that. It detangles my hair very well, and it left it feeling so soft. Oh, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe for more videos, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. My curls are popping. Look at that definition. It also defined my hair very well. Length check. Look at that. Oh, my hair is growing. So bye, please stay safe and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, see you in my next one.